Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the main flex cable on the Motorola Moto G Power 2024 mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone. To remove the back cover, you will need to soften the adhesive underneath. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the phone with the back cover facing down on a heating pad and use the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process complete. If you do not have a heating pad, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges of the back cover. Be careful not to apply too much heat, as excessive heat can damage the back cover or internal components. Once the adhesive is softened, use a suction cup to create a small gap between the back cover and the phone frame. The best place to start is usually near the bottom edge of the phone. Insert a plastic opening pick or pry tool into the gap. Slowly slide the tool around the edges to separate the adhesive. Take your time during this step and avoid pushing the tool too far inside, as this can damage internal components. Please note there is strong adhesive around the camera area, so carefully work around this section and gently release the adhesive. Once the adhesive is fully separated, carefully lift and remove the back cover. For reassembly, it is recommended to clean away the old adhesive from the edges of the back cover and the frame. Next, remove the SIM card tray and then remove the 18 screws securing the mid frame. Next, use a plastic opening pick or pry tool to create a small gap between the mid frame and the phone housing. Start near the SIM card slot area, as this is usually the easiest place to begin. Slowly slide the tool around the edges to release the plastic clips holding the mid frame in place. This process will take time. Be careful when lifting the mid frame, as the fingerprint sensor is still connected to the logic board. Once all the clips are released, gently lift the mid frame and then disconnect the battery connector. Next, disconnect the fingerprint plug from the logic board to completely remove the mid frame from the body. Next, remove the faulty main flex cable from the device. To access the main flex cable, you will first need to remove the battery. Next, disconnect the faulty main flex cable from both the logic board and the charging port board. And then carefully remove the not working flex cable from the device. Next, install the new main flex cable and reconnect it securely at both ends. Verify it's securely connect to the logic board and the charging port board. Next, install the battery with adhesive. Next, reconnect the fingerprint sensor to the logic board. And then connect the battery plug to the logic board. In this stage, you can turn on the device for testing. Before installing the mid-frame, make sure the mid-frame is properly aligned with the phone housing. Gently press around the edges of the mid-frame until all the plastic clips snap securely into place. Next, secure the mid-frame by adding 18 screws. Next, apply B7000 glue or install new double-sided backer adhesive. And carefully align the back cover with the phone housing and press firmly around the edges to secure it in place. Next, use bonding clips or clamps to hold the back cover in place. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.